फर्स्ट सेंटेंस वी हैव हम साथ चलेंगे. We will go together. We will go together. हम बहुत जल्दी आ गए. We have come too early. We have come too early. हम उस पर भरोसा नहीं कर सकते. We cannot rely on him. We cannot rely on him. वो खाना खा रहा है. He is eating meal. He is eating meal. वो चिल्ला रही है. She is shouting. She is shouting. मैं जीत रहा हूँ. I am winning. I am winning. वो शादीशुदा है. He is married. He is married. जान में जान आई. What a relief. What a relief. ये सही लग रहा है. It makes sense. It makes sense. बात तो वही हुई. It means the same. It means the same. वो आई ही नहीं. She didn't show up. She didn't show up. मैं बोल भी किसको रहा हूँ. Whom am I even telling? Whom am I even telling? मेरा मुंह मत खुलवाएं. Don't make me say it. Don't make me say it. सब कितना फीका फीका है. Everything is so dull. Everything is so dull. बहुत मज़ा आया. Enjoyed a lot. Enjoyed a lot. रोने से कुछ नहीं होगा. Crying won't help. Crying won't help. उसे डांट पड़ रही थी. He was being scolded. He was being scolded. अगले हफ्ते मिलते हैं. See you next week. See you next week. कुछ पैसे उधार दे दो. Lend me some money. Lend me some money. मुझे कुछ नहीं पता. I have no idea. I have no idea. हाथ पोंछ लो. Wipe your hands. Wipe your hands. आपने क्या किया? What did you do? What did you do? आपने क्या किया? अपना मूड ठीक करो. Set your mood. Set your mood. आप बच नहीं सकते. You can't escape. You can't escape. मुझे चोट लग गई. I have got hurt. I have got hurt. कम से कम एक बार आ जाओ. Come at least once. Come at least once. मैं अक्सर वहाँ जाता हूँ. I go there often. I go there often. वो इसके लायक नहीं है. He is not worth it. He is not worth it. मैंने एक बार फिर सोचा. I thought once again. I thought once again. मैं आसपास था. I was around. I was around. मुझे समझ आ रहा है. I'm getting it. I am getting it. उसने गाना गाया. He sang a song. He sang a song. मैं दौड़ा. I ran. I ran. Ran second form होती है run की. Now it's your turn. मुझे चोट लग गई. इसको आप इंग्लिश में कैसे कहेंगे? कमेंट करके अपना आंसर ज़रूर बताएं. थैंक यू.